Like and subscribe to Desi Engine. Click the bell button to receive the latest video.
Hello friends, let's learn about daily habits today. Daily habits means adate. The first habit that we are going to learn today is wake up early in the morning. Wake up early in the morning. इसका मतलब होता है सुबह जल्दी उठना. The next habit is brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. इसका मतलब होता है अपने दांत साफ करना. The next habit is greet your parents. Greet your parents. इसका मतलब होता है अपने माँ बाप का सम्मान करना. The next habit is have your breakfast. Have your breakfast. इसका मतलब होता है सुबह का नाश्ता करना. The next important habit is do not waste food. Do not waste food. इसका मतलब होता है खाना बर्बाद न करना. The next habit is greet your teachers. Greet your teachers. इसका मतलब होता है अपने गुरु का सम्मान करना. The next habit and the final habit is go early to bed. Go early to bed. इसका मतलब होता है रात में जल्दी सो जाना. So today we learnt about the different kind of habits. Meet you again in the next class.